how the council has got to this place where it gets data or insight. It gets that it needs to use it to make its decisions, and invest in you and your team to be the voice and get this level of this insight that you're producing.
The political leadership made a decision when they came on board to that salami slicing in the local authority was no longer an option. That's not going to work. We needed something new, innovative, and a desire for transformation and innovation. The second key driver was our executive leadership kind of translated that into, well, what are the components that we need in the organization that can enable all of that? So we probably ought to get better at data and insight, and we probably ought to get better at lots of other things. And so the political leadership having the will and the vision, the executive leadership saying, we acknowledge that there's a gap here. We don't quite know what the end answer is, but we acknowledge there's a gap. We also understand that we are experimenting and we're not going to get everything right. We're playing the long game as well, but also we've got to produce impactful wins that either look at efficiency gains or improved outcomes for residents in a safe culture and environment where it's okay if we've missed a trick on something, but actually if the longer term gain is still there, we'll continue with it. Yeah. And so creating that culture of safety, that culture of experiment, that culture of making sure we're laser focused on outcomes for residents